Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever booked a Grab ride only to find a mysterious pending charge on your account? You're not alone. Many of us have scratched our heads wondering, why is Grab holding my money? Fear not, fellow passengers, because today we're diving deep into the world of Grab payment holds, clearing up the confusion, and ensuring you a smooth ride, financially and literally. The sneaky hold. Why does Grab do this? Imagine you're rushing out the door, late for a meeting. You hail a Grab, book the ride, and everything seems perfect. But then, you check your bank statement and see a pending charge for the estimated fare. Hold on, you haven't even reached your destination yet. This, my friends, is Grab's pre-authorization hold. It's essentially a temporary block on your chosen payment method, credit card, debit card, or GrabPay wallet, to ensure you have enough funds for the ride. Think of it like reserving a seat on the financial bus. Grab confirms you have the ticket, funds, before letting you board, taking the ride. So, how long does this hold last? Here's the good news: the hold itself is quite temporary. Grab will typically hold the pre-authorization for just 30 minutes. This ensures a seamless experience if you decide to book another ride shortly after your first. No more scrambling to re-enter your payment details. However, the time it takes for the hold to disappear from your account depends on your bank. Once Grab releases the hold, after 30 minutes or after your trip is complete, it might take your bank anywhere from a few minutes to 30 business days to reflect the change in your statement. Here's a quick breakdown. Grab releases the hold within 30 minutes of booking or after your trip ends. Your bank reflects the change. This can vary depending on your bank's processing time. It could be immediate, but it can also take up to 30 business days for debit cards, especially. Understanding the hold amount. The pre-authorization hold amount isn't always the exact fare you'll pay at the end of the ride. It's usually an estimate based on the vehicle type, distance, and any anticipated tolls or fees. Once the trip concludes, Grab calculates the final fare and charges you the exact amount. Pro tip: avoiding multiple holds. If you're booking multiple rides back-to-back, you might see several pending charges. Don't panic. Remember, these are just temporary holds. To minimize the number of holds on your account, consider using GrabPay. Since the funds are readily available in your wallet, Grab won't need to pre-authorize each ride. The bottom line: stay informed, ride with confidence. By understanding Grab's payment hold system, you can avoid unnecessary worry and ensure a smooth financial experience on your next Grab adventure. Remember, the hold itself is temporary, lasting only 30 minutes, but the time it takes to disappear from your statement depends on your bank. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy riding, and don't let those pending charges hold you back.